What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And today, we're going to take a look at a sophisticated ass shoe. Yeah, I know you're not supposed to use words like that when you're talking about sophistication and refinement, right? Man, off all that. We ain't on that. We here to talk about the Nike Dunk Low. Bam! The gentleman. Bruh, it's different. I know this shoe is different, and that is a good thing when we talk about sneakers, bro. This shoe takes corduroy, which you can see right there. Look at that, man. That is corduroy, navy blue corduroy on this sneaker, right? We got the Nike Check that has the same corduroy, right? And we got some twill, just right here. Whoever puts twill on a shoe? And then we got the plaid. Bruh, if this don't scream old school, classic, sophistication, right? Nike did their thing on these. Like, this shoe is crazy. And it's a premium dunk, so it's got the fat tongue with the cushion in the inside. You got the corduroy all throughout the interior of this shoe, man. This is definitely a wintertime shoe. And, of course, you got the sail laces. Like, bro, this shoe is... I wasn't expecting this. Let me just say that off top. I was not expecting this shoe to be as clean as it is. It's not on a lot of people's radar right now because I guess of the material choices, right? And this is not an everyday wear shoe. I mean, you can, but this shoe is probably reserved for, I wouldn't say dressy occasions, but if you want to throw on a pair of slacks or some jeans and a blazer, and these are dunks for you, man, because it's already got the corduroy going there, right? And yes, corduroy is in the denim family, right? And you got the twill here, man, bro. Look at that twill. Look at that twill on that shoe, man. That's crazy. If that don't look like one of them old school jackets, man, your PE coach used to wear, man, and he scratching and itching all day long because that poly wool or that wool on that blazer, right, was getting at his neck. Yo, that's what, yeah. But that's all the more reason why I think this shoe is so dope. Like, they took the twill, they took the corduroy, and they took the plaid, and they put it all in one shoe, man. They had some other dunks before that had the corduroy, the brown and corduroy kind of like all over. And those were dope. But I must say, I'm thoroughly surprised on this shoe. Like, very, very well made. And again, it's not on a lot of people's radar. I didn't check to see. Where's my phone? Let's check to see if they're still available at the recording of this video. I'm pretty sure they're still available. Definitely was not expecting these, man. Definitely was not expecting this shoe to be the way it is right now. I did not expect it. And of course, it is still available. And yeah, pretty much all sizes, man. Like, this shoe is still available. Call me crazy, call me whatever you call me, but you know, here on the set, we don't ride the wave, man. Everybody else ain't feeling it. We gonna get it in our hand. We gonna check it out, and we gonna get an opinion on it. And for me, this is a nice shoe. This is a nice shoe. And if you ain't done so already, man, you already know. Hit that like button, number one, followed by hit the subscribe button. We just broke a milestone here, man. We on our way up, bro. Like, our next goal is to have 1,000 subscribers. Right now, we at like 540 something like that, right? But we just broke that barrier of getting past 500 last week, and it's been like on the way up ever since then. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you will be the first to know when we drop new content here on the set. Again, I don't do this for the money. I ain't chasing no check, bro. I'm retired. I got another job to do to occupy my time, and let's just say we ain't heard for no money over here. Yeah, everybody can stand to have a little more money, but we ain't hurt for no money over here, bro. We do this because we love the culture and we like bringing you more information on sneakers, electronics, and toys. Cause man, hey, you need those in your life, bro. You ain't got no fly kicks, and you walking around with an 18-year-old iPhone, or you have to get up to change the channel on the TV because you ain't with the newest technology, or you can't even watch YouTube on your computer because your computer's so old. But we ain't shaming you. We just here to put you on game so you know where and when to spend your money on those things that we hold near and dear. Alright? It's your boy Money Matt, man. I just wanted to bring y'all these, man. I'm gone, folks. Peace. And we out.